Welcome to Baird Tech Presents. This is tech tip number 3. Today in this lesson I'm going to show you how to save an attachment from your Office 365 Outlook mail into your Office 365 OneDrive folder. Okay, so you go to the Symbolo page, you're going to click on Office 365, and when you do so you'll have to log in. And then you're going to go to Mail, click on the Mail tile. And when you do that, your mail will open up. Now you're probably noticing that this is a different view, that there aren't any other emails over here. That's because in order to do this video, I didn't want to show you all my other emails. I just wanted to show you this one particular email. So this one comes from my student Andy Morales, and he sent me a video. And so I want to save that video. I can click on this here, it'll drop down and it'll let me download it. It'll let me save it to OneDrive on Fresno Unified. Or if I read here, there's a link that says save to OneDrive Fresno Unified School District. Okay. Now before I do that, I want to take you to my OneDrive folder. Notice that these are the folders that I currently have in there. Okay. I'm not going to go and create a folder or anything like that. I'm going to leave those untouched. I'm going to come along here and I'm either going to select that, drop down, or I'm just going to click on this link here. And it's spinning, so that means it's working. It gives me that green check, and it tells you that it's saved to email attachments. Okay, so we'll go back to that folder. But there's nothing there, so I need to refresh. And when I refresh, there should be a new folder called Email Attachments. You like that? It's pretty cool, huh? So you click on it, and there is the movie that Andy saved or shared with me that I saved to my OneDrive. So I'm going to rename this because my friend Andy is so creative with his movie titles that he just called it movie. So this is a 4.0. And then I'm going to click on save. And it's going to rename it. And that's the tech tip for today. Have a great one.